Have you ever brought a frozen snacks because the picture on the packet looked absolutely amazing, but after getting it home, you wondered if it could actually taste that good? Well, today we are going to find out. This is Hyphen chili garlic pepper, and before we even cook them, let's see whether they are worth buying just by looking at the packaging, ingredient, quality, and everything you should know before spending your money. The packet claims these are ready in just 3 minutes. They are air fryer friendly, contain no added preservatives, and they are also trans fat free. Those are the big promises. So, should you believe them? Stay till the end because there's one thing on the nutrition label that many people never notice before buying frozen snacks, and it might surprise you. And if you decide this are worth trying, I have kept the Amazon purchase link in the description below so you can easily check the latest price. The packaging immediately catches your attention. The bright color and the picture of the crispy poppers make them look really tempting. It definitely gives the impression that you are about to eat something crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. This packet contains 200 grams, which I think is a good quantity for a small family snack, tea time, movie time, or when guests suddenly visit. On the top, High Fun has highlighted a few important points. It's a yummy treat in 3 minutes, which sound perfect if you're hungry and don't want to spend much time in the kitchen. It also mentioned air fryer friendly, which is great because many people now prefer using an air fryer instead of deep frying. Another thing printed on the packet is no added preservative and it is trans fat free, which are always good to see in a frozen food product. So at least from the packaging, the first impression is definitely positive. Now let's see what actually get inside. So friends, I'm going to open this packet. As soon as I open the packet, the first thing I notice is all the poppers are individually frozen. That's actually a good sign because they are not stuck together into one big block. It means you can simply remove the quantity you need and keep the remaining popper safely inside the freezer. Looking closely, every popper has a nice round shape. The coating looks even and I can already see a tiny red chili flakes on the outside. That tells me the chili seasoning isn't just shown on the packet, it actually appears on the product too. The pieces are also almost the same size, which actually help them to cook evenly. Since they are frozen, there's no strong smell, but if you bring them close, you can notice a light garlic aroma. Overall, the quantity look neat. I don't see broken pieces or excessive ice crystal, which is usually a good sign that the product has been stored properly. So far, I honestly like what I am seeing. Now let's flip the packet and see what goes into the popper. The biggest ingredients are potatoes, making 81.7% of the product. Personally, that's something I always like checking. If I'm buying potato poppers, I want potatoes to be the main ingredient, not fillers. Apart from potato, Hyphen has added potato flakes, garlic paste, refined vegetable oil, that is palm oil, corn flour, iodized salt, dehydrated onion powder, and red chili flakes. The ingredient list is actually quite simple and easy to understand. If you have food allergies, one important thing to note that this product may contain wheat, milk, soy, and mustard. So always check the allergen information before serving it to the children or anyone with dietary restriction, which they have clearly mentioned it over here. Now here's something that most people completely ignore. They read the front of the packet but never turn it around to check the nutritional panel. We will go through that in just a moment because there's one point that every frozen snack buyer should know. But before that, if you have already tried Hyphen chili garlic popper, let everyone know in the comments. Did you like them? Or is there another frozen snack you like is better? I love to know your recommendation. Look at the nutritional fact, cooking instruction, pros and cons, and who should buy this, and whether they are worth picking up from the freezer section. Now we have opened the package, seen what the popper actually look like. Let's talk about the thing that really mattered before buying a frozen snack. That is the nutrition, cooking, price, pros and cons, and who is this product best suited for. Let's start with the nutritional panel because this is something many people completely skip. For per 100 gram, the Hyphen chili garlic popper provides around 190 kcal, which is fairly typical for a potato-based frozen snacks. You will also get 7 grams of fat, nearly 29 grams of carbohydrate, and a little over 3 grams of protein and around 473 mg of sodium. The good news is that the packet clearly mentions zero trans fat, zero cholesterol, and no added sugar. Those are definitely positive points, especially if you are comparing different frozen snacks. However, one thing you should keep in mind is sodium content. Like most ready to cook frozen food, this contain a moderate amount of salt, so they are best enjoyed occasionally rather than every single day. If you are someone who watches your sodium intake, that's something worth remembering. Now let's talk about the preparation. High Fun has given two cooking options. If you are using an air fryer, simply preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius, place the popper in a single layer and cook them for about 12 to 15 minutes, shaking the basket once or twice during cooking so they become evenly crispy. If you are someone who prefers deep frying, heat the oil to around 175 degrees Celsius and fry them directly from frozen for approximately 3 minutes until they become light golden. One important instruction printed on the packet is do not thaw. Always cook them directly from frozen because thawing can affect both the texture and the final crispiness. Now let's talk about what I like. The first thing is the packaging. It look attractive, informative and tell you almost everything you need to know before buying. The second thing is the ingredient. Since potatoes make more than 81% of the product, it feels like you're actually buying potato poppers instead of something filled with unnecessary fillers. I also like that the pieces inside the packet are individually frozen. That make it easy to cook only the quantity you need instead of preparing the entire packet at once. The product is also suitable for both air fryer or users and also for deep frying uses. Another positive point is the price. This 200-gram packet comes with an MRP of Rs 75, which I think is reasonably considered today frozen snack prices. Now let's look at a few things that could be better. The protein content is quite low. The protein content which they have mentioned in per 100 gram, that is 3.11 gram. That's expected because this is mainly a potato snack, but if you are looking something high in protein, this isn't really meant for that purpose. The sodium level is also something to be aware of, especially if you are trying to reduce your salt intake. And of course, because it is a frozen product, you will need a proper freezer storage. If the product accidentally thaws during transport or because of a power cut, it shouldn't be frozen again. Now here's the biggest question. Will I recommend buying it based only on today's unboxing and the first impression? My honest answer is yes. The packaging look premium, the ingredients are straightforward, the cooking instructions are simple, the product appear to be good quality and the price is quite affordable. But there's one thing I never judge from the packet alone, and that's the taste. Sometimes frozen snacks look amazing but disappoint after cooking. Over time, they surprise you with excellent flavor and texture. That's exactly why I'm making a separate video. In the next video, we are going to cook this exactly according to the instruction. We will see how crispy they become. We will cut one open to check the filling. We will see whether the garlic flavor is actually noticeable. We will also find the chili is mild, medium or spicy, and finally we'll answer the question everyone wants to know. Are hyphen chili garlic popper actually worth buying, or should you spend your money on another frozen snack? So if you don't want to miss that comparison and taste test, make sure you are subscribed and have a notification bell turned on. If you found today's review helpful, don't forget to like the video because it's really helped the channel to grow. And if you have already tried those poppers, let everyone know in the comment. Did you cook them in an air fryer or deep fry them? Which method gave you the better result? Your experience could help someone who's planning to buy them for the first time. Also, if there's another frozen snack, fries, nuggets, ready to cook product you like me to review, leave it name in the comments because I regularly review products suggested by viewers. And once again, if you're interested in buying this Hi-Fi Chili Garlic Poppers, I have kept the Amazon purchase link in the description below where you can check the latest price and availability. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video where we will cook this, taste them and find out if they really deserve a place in your freezer. Bye friends.